Hey everyone, welcome to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to modeling and texturing this object.
If you enjoy Blender tutorial on modeling, lighting, animation, and product visualization, you are in the right place. Now you can become a channel member and unlock exclusive perks like early access to all my tutorial video. And the best part, at the end of each month, you will get a complete blend file pack containing all the project file from every tutorial released that month. Just hit the join button below to become a member and support this channel to grow. Okay, that's all. Let's start the tutorial.
Let's start googling for our image reference. I'm just type mouse wireless. I'm going to use this one as my reference. Then you can right click and save your image. Open up your Blender. At the top view, Shift A, image reference. At your image reference, go to the right view, Shift A, image reference again. I'm going to use this one. We need to flip this image reference. At the top view, press R 180. Then we need to scale this down. Adjust it till it have a same size. Probably just something like this. Then I'm gonna move this one over here. This one down here. Enable the opacity. Press Shift A, Mesh, add cube, press Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision modifier. Then we need to apply the subdivision modifier. Press GY, put it here. Tap to the edit mode, Alt Z to see the X right view. You can go to the right view. Click and drag like this and X delete the vertices. Go to the top view again. Then we need to adjust and just following the image reference. Put a loop cut here. Then I'm going to select all of the vertices down here. Press H to hide. Then adjust here. Alt H. Okay. Put another loop cut. Put it here as to scale it on X axis. After we're done here, go to the right view. Then we can adjust it more. Put loop cut here and just like this. Select all of this and make sure this one is active one. Change your pivot point to the active element. Go to the right view. Press R to rotate. Rotate like this. Then press S to scale it on the Y axis. Okay, we can put another loop cut. Go to the object mode, press Ctrl 2, add a subdivision modifier. Just make it level 1. Then we can apply this modifier. We will have something like this. Alt Z to see the X right view, click and drag like this. X delete the vertices, add a modifier generate, add a mirror modifier and enable the clipping. We're going to select all of this face. Then I'm going to press H to hide. Go to the top view, then disable your professional editing by pressing O again. Select these vertices, G twice, slide like this. Click here, till here. I guess we better to mark it. Press U, mark seams. Then press K, click this one and press Y, put here. Click here, hold Ctrl, click here. Then press U, let's mark again. Press 3 changes to the face mode, select one of these face, then press L. Then you can press P, selection to separate them. Now we have something like this. After that, just select this one, tap to edit mode. Let's disable the clipping, Alt Z. Press 3 changes to the face mode, select all these 3 face. Press I to insert, press B, just insert like this. Press 2 change it to the edge mode, select this edge, press G twice to slide, put it here. Then press Ctrl R, put loop cut here. Press SX0, press G, X, adjust it here, then press 3, change to the face mode, select all of this face, X, delete the face. All of this face again, X, delete the face. Go to the right view, we need to do some adjustment down here. Select all of this, press SZ0. You can click here, make sure you make this one active, press SX0. Then press R to rotate, just a little bit like this. This one, we can adjust it GY. Okay, then we can also select this one, tap to the edit mode. Press Alt H, select all of these vertices, make this one active one, press SX0. Then we can press R to rotate. Put it here, then this one, this vertices, GY, put it back here. Select this vertices, then G twice, slide it in. Like this, then press Alt H. Okay, everything seems fine. I'm going to select these two objects, tap to the edit mode, Alt Z, then click and drag, just adjust here. Put it here. Everything here SZ0. Okay, object mode, select this one, edit mode. I can press G twice to slide it. Like this. Press SY0. Select all of this face, press I to insert. Just like this, then X, delete the face. Then just adjust it. Okay, just something like this. Select all of these vertices, press N, main bevel wake here, make it 1. We can add a modifier, bevel modifier, change angle to wake, make it level 3, then add a subdivision modifier. Okay, we will have this result. Let's adjust here, press GY, just put it back here. And this one G, let's move it up. I'm going to join these two vertices, and this one I'm going to delete it. And this H, X, dissolve H. Then let's press A to select everything. I'm going to clear the seam. Okay, press A again, press E to extrude, then press escape. Then let me isolate this by pressing slash on your keyboard, then press Alt S. Scale it down just a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to press X, delete the face. Now we will have something like this. And select all of this H. Main bevel wake, make it 1. We can right click shade smooth, press slash again. Let me do this one, tap to edit mode. I guess I'm going to select this H, press G twice, move it to the front a little bit. All of this H again. Let me GX just a little bit. I'm going to select all of these vertices, X, delete the vertices. Let me fix over here. Just G twice, slide them in. Then we can fix this one also. Just G twice to slide. Then press AM, merge by distance. Then select all of these vertices, press E, extrude on the Z axis, SZ0. Go to the right view, GZ, move it down. Make this one active one. Press SY, scale on the Y axis. Okay, let me press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, and select this H, X, dissolve the H. Press 1 and connect these two. G to join, this H, X, dissolve the H. Okay, next we can press less, then press A to select everything, E to extrude, press escape, Alt S. Scale it down. Yep, just like this. Press 2, change it to the H mode. Go to the select sharp edge. Okay, we only need to select this one. Anything else? This H and this H. Everything seems fine. Main bevel wake, make it 1. Add a modifier, generate bevel. Move the bevel up here. Change the angle to the wake. Increase the segment by 3. Right click shade smooth. You can actually change this to 0.003. Okay, we can press slash. We don't need the bevel wake on here. Let's make it 0. Let's create this button. Tap to edit mode. Just Press 3, change it to the face mode. Select all of this H, Shift D, duplicate it, press P, selection. Tap to the object mode. Select this new object. Press A to select everything. Press Ctrl F, grid fill. Let me press K, put here and here. K again, put here and put here. This face, just delete the face. And for this one, let me press K and put here. Select these two face, then press F. Press A to select everything, then press E to extrude. Let me extrude on the x-axis. Just like this. Press A to select everything, G, X, move it out just a little bit. Okay, select all of this H. Press N, bevel wake, make it 1. Press S, Z, scale it on the Z-axis just a little bit. SY also. Okay, then we can select all of this H, G, X, move it just a little bit on the X-axis. So we will have this result. Then just select this and this H, Shift D, duplicate it, P, selection, tap to the object mode, select this new object, tap to the mode, press A to select everything, then press E, extrude on the Y-axis. You can just adjust it. Then I'm just gonna delete the face up and down here. GX, move it back inside, press SZ, scale it on the Z-axis. Then let me adjust it. I'm going to delete this HX, dissolve the H. Okay, then let me adjust this one. Okay. Then select this object, tap to the edit mode, Alt Z, select all of these vertices inside, Ctrl F, grid fill. Down here, select all of this H, main bevel wake, make it 1. Click and drag, select all of these, press SZ0. Change your pivot point to the vertices, GZ, hold Ctrl, snap to these vertices. Okay, select this one, tap to the edit mode, press Ctrl R, put loop cut here. Just leave it like that, and I'm going to select this 2H, select this H, G twice, just slide. Select this object, tap to the edit mode, Alt Z, select all of this H, Shift D, duplicate it, P, selection. Tap to the object mode, select this new object, tap to the edit mode, press A to select everything, press E to extrude, Z axis, press SZ0, then press GZ, let's move it up over here. Press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, then make this one active, change pivot point to active element, scale it on the Y axis, just like this. Click down here and make sure this one is active, scale it on the Y axis. Feels like something wrong here. I'm going to click here and enable the face orientation. Select this object, tap to the edit mode, A to select everything, Shift N. This one, A to select everything, Shift N, and this object also. This object, I'm going to apply the mirror modifier. Let me press slash, then Ctrl F, grid fill. Okay, then I'm going to adjust here. Okay, this one is cool. And leave it like this. Right click, shade smooth. Let's create the scroll wheel. Shift A, mesh, add a cylinder. The vertices here, I'm going to make it ×2. Press RX 90 degree. Press R 90 degree. Scale it down. Let's put it here. S, scale it on the X-axis. Adjust the position. Okay. Then I'm going to Ctrl A, apply the scale. Tap to the edit mode. Ctrl 2. Select this 2H. Alt Z. Then Ctrl B, bevel. Increase the segment, just like this. 3, change it to the face mode. Or we can just press Ctrl I to invert selection, like this. Then press Alt E, extrude face along normal. Extrude it outside just a little bit. Then press I, insert like this. Then Alt E again, extrude face along normal. Okay. Then we can press Ctrl R, put loop cut here. Ctrl B, bevel like this to add a support. Then reduce the cuts just like this. Okay. Let's try to add a modifier. Subdivision modifier. Ctrl 2. Let's right click shade smooth. Yep, everything is fine. Press slash. Tap to edit mode. Select this face and this one. We can go to the edit, preference, get extension. Just find loop tools. We need to install these loop tools. Okay. After you install it, save your preference, close this window, then you can right click loop tools, bridge. We will have this result. Then press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, Ctrl B. Let's add a bevel. Just like this. I'm going to press Ctrl I, invert the selection, then press H to hide. Then press 3, change it to the face mode. I'm select for face here and Shift Control click here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 and this one. Okay. Alt E, extrude face along normal. Just extrude it like this. X, delete the face, press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, support them. This one also. This one. Okay, let's press Alt H. And I guess I'm just gonna leave it like this. It didn't really show. It's totally fine. Let's create the bottom part. Let me hide this one and this one. Go to the bottom view, Shift A, image reference, find your image reference, adjust the position, rotate it 180, put it down here. I'm just gonna select this one and this reference and press slash. Adjust the reference, okay. I'm going to duplicate this one, GX, put it here, and disable the opacity. Back to this object, Alt Z, and I'm going to click this face, hold Control till here, then press I to insert, just a little bit like this, then right click loop tool circle, S to scale it down. Okay, and this one I'm going to press X, delete the face, select all of this edge again, press E to extrude, S to scale it down, just like this. Select this face, press I to insert, insert like this, then E extrude, just a little bit, move it down again. Okay, just like this. Select all of this edge again, Ctrl F, grid fill. Then I'm going to adjust just like this. Select this face, press I, insert, right click loop tool circle, S to scale it down, adjust the position just like this, then press I to insert, insert like this, just leave it like this. Select this face, Shift Ctrl B, add a bevel. This face, press I, insert, X, delete the face. Then select this edge, press E to extrude, Z axis, extrude it here, then press N, main bevel weight, make it 1, just press F to fill, and this edge, main bevel weight, make it 1, just like this. And over here, select this edge, all of this, main bevel weight, make it 1, press 3, change it to the face mode, select all of this face, then press E, extrude it on the Z axis down here, just like this, and that's all, I guess. Then you can Shift A, mask, add a circle, GY, let's put it here, tap to edit mode, S to scale it down. Okay, adjust the position just like this, press E to extrude, S to scale it,
scale it inside, just like this. Press 3, change it to the face mode. Click like this. X, delete the face. Okay, X, delete the face. Press A to select everything. A to extrude, Z axis just a little bit here. Tap to the object mode, GZ, put it up. Then G, Z, hold control, snap to this face. Press 2 to add a supervision modifier. Tap to the edit mode. Let me press slash. I'm going to Alt Z, press 1, and click here. X, delete the face. Okay, tap to the edit mode. Select these vertices, press L, Shift D, duplicate it. Change pivot point to 3D cursor and rotate 180. Then GY, put it here. I guess we are done with the modeling. Let's hide the reference. Let's organize them together. Shift A, add empty. Let me add an empty arrow. S to scale this up like this. Then press A to select everything. Ctrl P, objective transform. And let's rename this mouse. Let's move to the shading tab. Select this object, new material. Shift A, search for noise texture. I'm going to put here. Press Ctrl T. If you can do that, just go to the edit, preference, other add-ons. Just type here Node Wrangle. You need to install this Node Wrangle. After that, you can press Shift Ctrl T and it will automatically add a texture coordinate and a mapping node. I'm going to Shift Ctrl, click at my noise texture. We will have this result. Then change object to vector. Shift A again, search for color ramp. Put it here. Increase the scale by 100, maybe 500. Okay. Shift A, search for bump node. Put here, change normal to high. We can click here normal to normal, Shift Ctrl at our principal BSDF. Now we have this texture, we can just change the distance to 0.001. Try to reduce the strength, change the color, a little bit darker. I'm going to increase the scale by 1000, reduce the strength here, turn down the roughness, change IOR to 1.4. Select this one, this one, this one, this one at last. Ctrl L, link material. Select this new material. Just turn down the roughness and change the color. Just like this, I guess. Down here, let me press less. Go to the bottom view, new material. Shift A, search for wave texture. Press Ctrl T. Shift Ctrl, click here. Then here change it to ring and here change it to escape recall. Then object to vector. Shift A. You can adjust the scale. Just like this. Shift A, search for color ramp, put here to adjust the thickness. Just like this. Put it here. And we can actually Shift A, search for bump node, put here, change it to the high, connect normal to normal, Shift Control, principal BSDF. We will have this result. Turn down the roughness, change color to the black, press less, increase the scale, then we can adjust the position. Probably here, then click here, material, add a new material, just like this, tap to the edit mode, press 3, change to the face mode, press less. I'm going to select all of this face, just like this. The new material, click assign, turn down the roughness and change the color a little bit black. Okay, and we can do the same with this one. Press 3, change to the face mode, I'll click here. I'm going to press H to hide this edge, press L,
then click assign here, Alt H. Okay, then press slash, select the material. We can increase the scale more. Okay, I guess this is enough. I'm going to select this one, new material. Let's rename this material like wave. Select this one and use the wave material. Over here, new material, let's make it black. And for the roughness, it should be, doesn't reflect anything. Okay, then I'm just go to the canva.com, go to the element here, type here, I'm just type our logo and just use this one, scale this up, just put it here, then click here, share, download. After you download it, back to our Blender, select this object, the material, click here, new material, and name this one logo. Over here, change it to the UV editor, move this way back, Shift A, search for image texture, click here, press Ctrl T, click open, found your logo, Shift A, search for mix shader, put here, connect color to vector, and this one put it down here, Shift D, duplicate, put it here. Let's change this one to the white, tap to the edit mode. I'm going to press to change it to the edge mode, select this edge, hold Control, click here, all of this, press U, mark seam, add your image texture node, repeat here, change it to extend, press A to select everything, press U, unwrap angle base, press 3, change it to the face mode, select this face, press L, then we can A here, adjust the position, R to rotate, scale this up like this, then press Ctrl I, press A to select everything, scale this down and move it here, move it offset the picture. We have something like this. Then emission, we can make it 1, color here we can change it to any color we want and make this one black. Okay, I'm going to change to the render preview, render engine here I'm going to use cycle, CPU change it to the GPU, shading here I'm going to disable the scene light and the scene world, increase the strain by 5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Got any question or suggestion? Drop them in the comment below. And if you wanted to support this channel and have early access to tutorial, check out the membership link in the description. See you on the next one.